What's going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out 6-Point Survival. Today I taught a lesson on building a simple loop snare if you have some snare wire. So it's a real quick one. It only takes a couple minutes to do. Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna do this as best we can with how small the snare wire is. The phone seems like it's focusing in. Was focusing in on the snare wire. First thing I'm gonna do is there we go. Try and straighten it out because it came out pretty curved. So I'm just gonna run it through my fingers to do that. Once I actually start doing it, we'll work on the focus here. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is make myself a little Jesus fish. This is about the size of the tip of my pinky finger, maybe a little bit smaller, and then this tail right here is about 1 inch. Now, what I'm trying to get to happen is have these two wires twist together. So in order to do this, it's really important that I maintain that 90-degree angle that you see right there. If I turn it that way, it's a little more apparent that I have that 90-degree angle. But not only did I maintain it, but that I maintain it as an arrow pointing right through the middle of my fish. If I start twisting like this, or like this, where now one side of the tail is straight down or straight up, I'm gonna lose that twist together form that I want. So I'm gonna pinch right where the two wires come together, and then I'm going to twist and start sliding my fingers back over the wires that are pinched together. And as I twist, you'll notice that they are twisting together versus one twisting around the other. And I'm going to do that all the way until I have about 1/8 of an inch left. Okay, there's my 1/8 of an inch. I got my wires to twist together really nicely there. And I'm going to take this 1/8 of an inch and stick it up into the snare. Now all I'm going to do is take the other end of my snare wire and I'm going to wrap it through that eye. Typically this is going to be better for smaller game, squirrels, tree squirrels, ground squirrels, that kind of stuff. You can make a really small one for rodents like rats. For a squirrel, which is one of the most common things I go for, I use about 3 fingers for the head. So that's how big the opening is. And then when I set this, I would set it about 1/2 inch off the ground. Squirrels don't run with their heads dragging on the ground. So get that up off the ground just a little bit. And then that 1/8 of an inch that I have right there, I have going to the inside of my snare. That's going to be kind of an agitator. The whole goal of this is once the squirrel runs through it, it'll tighten down on their neck and it'll choke them out and kill them, ideally as quickly and humanely as possible. So that is the simple loop snare. Thanks again for watching this quick tutorial on the simple loop snare. If you want more videos, instructional videos, product review videos, all that kind of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.